1970 milligrams Midget Classic Convertible for sale. Pushpin name, 1970 milligrams Midget. Money bag price, $6,000 or best offer. Round pushpin location, Huntsville, Alabama. Automobile mileage, 10,000 miles. Gear, transmission, automatic. Artist palette exterior color, red with white racing stripe. Couch hand lamp interior color, not specified. Vehicle details. This 1970 milligrams Midget is a stunning classic convertible that turns heads with its vibrant red paint and white racing stripe. It has been well maintained and features a clean interior. Recent upgrades and maintenance. Heavy checkmark new gas tank. Heavy checkmark new tires. Heavy checkmark recent oil change. Heavy checkmark new brakes. While a full tune-up could improve performance, this vintage roadster remains reliable and fun to drive. It's perfect for weekend outings or as a collector's piece. Label price, $6,000 OBO, serious inquiries only. Would you like a Facebook Marketplace link or additional details? (1984) Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Z51 Convertible 2D for sale. Pushpin name, 1984 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Z51 Convertible 2D. Money bag price, $6,500, cash only. Round pushpin location, Warrior, Alabama. Automobile mileage, 160,000 miles. Gear, transmission, automatic. Oil drum, fuel type, petrol. Artist palette exterior color, white. Couch hand lamp interior color, red. Magnifying glass tilted right. Vehicle history, no significant damage or problems, clear history. White heavy checkmark ownership, fully paid off. Vehicle details. This is a 1984 Chevrolet Corvette Z51, marking the first year of the C4 Corvette generation. With fewer than half of 1984 Corvettes featuring the Z51 suspension and performance package, this classic runs, drives, sounds, and looks great. Key features and condition. Heavy checkmark Z51 performance and suspension package, rare for 1984 models. Heavy checkmark good tires. Heavy checkmark fresh oil change. Heavy checkmark original owner's manual included. Heavy checkmark comes with exterior car cover and Chevrolet Corvette shop manual. Heavy checkmark show-ready condition, perfect for car shows. While it's not perfect, it's an impressive shape for a 40-year-old classic. Hagerty Classic Car Insurance reports increasing value for this model, making it a great investment. Sale terms. Dollar banknote cash only, no lowball offers. Scroll no title issued in Alabama for cars over 35 years old, bill of sale provided. Counterclockwise arrows button would consider trades for a Mustang 2 or Fox body Mustang in similar condition. Envelope with arrow message for more details or to schedule a test drive. 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle movie car, for sale or trade. Pushpin name, 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. Money bag price, $24,800, trade or best offer. Round pushpin location, Prattville, Alabama. Automobile mileage, 999,999 miles, unknown. Gear, transmission, automatic. Oil drum, fuel type, petrol. Artist palette exterior color, gray. Couch hand lamp interior color, black. White heavy checkmark ownership, paid off. Special feature, movie car. Clapperboard. This 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle is one of 4 used in the 2019 movie Shaft, starring Samuel L. Jackson, filmed in Atlanta, Georgia. It was featured in an article by Car and Driver. Link, read the article here. Vehicle details and features. Heavy checkmark SBC engine with turbo transmission. Heavy checkmark Holley 4-barrel carburetor. Heavy checkmark new aluminum valve covers. Heavy checkmark power steering and power brakes. Heavy checkmark 12-bolt rear end, CW code 1972. Heavy checkmark rear disc brakes, added for stunt driving. Heavy checkmark bucket seats and console. Heavy checkmark round gauge cluster. Heavy checkmark new windshield with movie sun shield. Automobile includes 454 engine and run stand. Turns over well, but hasn't been run yet. Condition and notes. Hammer and wrench needs a tune-up, stored for a while. Hammer and wrench floor sections replaced. Hammer and wrench trunk floor has fiberglass updates. Hammer and wrench badged as 454, but VIN shows H code. Hammer and wrench driver quality car, not a show car. Ownership and trade information. Scroll, no title issued in Alabama for classic cars over 35 years old. Bill of sale and registration provided. If your state requires a title, you can apply for one using the current registration and bill of sale. Counterclockwise arrows button will consider trades. Newer vehicles of equal value, no boats or bikes. Trades must come to me. Envelope with arrow message for more details or to discuss trade offers. ...2009 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D for sale. Pushpin name, 2009 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D. Money bag price, $15,000. Price low for quick sale. Round pushpin location, MT Holly, NC. Automobile mileage, 76,000 miles. Gear, transmission, automatic. Oil drum, fuel type, petrol. Artist palette, exterior color, silver. Couchhand lamp, interior color, black. Fuel pump fuel efficiency, 15 mpg, city, 25 mpg, highway, 18 mpg combined. White heavy checkmark ownership, paid off clean title. Hammer and wrench owners, 3+ owners. Vehicle details and condition. This 2009 Chevrolet Corvette C6 2LT base model is in excellent condition with no issues. The only modification is aftermarket wheels, but the car remains bone stock otherwise. Heavy checkmark clean title, no issues. Heavy checkmark runs and drives great. Heavy checkmark low price for quick sale. Seller's notes. Wrench, bring your mechanic or meet at a shop. Buyer covers inspection costs. Counterclockwise arrows button open to trades for classic convertibles, 60s and 70s models, including Cadillacs, Camaros, Caprices, etc. Envelope with arrow message for more details or to schedule a test drive. 1989 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan 4D for sale. Pushpin name, 1989 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan 4D. Money bag price, $7,500 firm. Round pushpin location, Toledo, Ohio. Automobile mileage, 78,000 miles. Gear, transmission, automatic 700R4. Oil drum, fuel type, petrol. Artist palette exterior color, gray. Couchhand lamp, interior color, blue. White heavy checkmark title, clean and notarized, ready to go. Vehicle details and features. This 1989 Caprice Classic is a strong running project car with a 5.7L 350 truck motor and 700R4 transmission. It drives smooth on brand new 28-inch rims, purchased in 2024, and features. Heavy checkmark strong drivetrain, no leaks, no ticks. Heavy checkmark push button start, needs new $30 kit from Amazon. Heavy checkmark hot heat and solid ride quality. Heavy checkmark aftermarket sound system speaker low volume. Condition and seller notes. Hammer and wrench needs TLC and a paint job. Headliner could use work. Hammer and wrench can be driven as is or finished as a custom build. Hammer and wrench, good running project for summer. Doesn't need much to complete. Hammer and wrench, if unsold by February 1st, it's going to the paint shop artist palette. Sale terms. Dollar banknote serious cash, buyers only. No trades for junk. Automobile if traveling from far. Bring a trailer, no insurance included. Envelope with arrow, lots of interest. Act fast. (1993) BMW 3 Series 316i Touring. Rare European import. Pushpin name. 1993 BMW 316i Touring. Money bag price. $14,000 or best offer. Round pushpin location. Woodstock, Georgia. Automobile mileage. 142,915 miles. 230,000 kilometers. Gear transmission. 5-speed manual. Oil drum, fuel type, petrol. Artist palette exterior color. Daytona violet rare. Couchhan lamp interior color. Gray, sport cloth. White heavy checkmark ownership. Paid off clean Georgia title. Scroll legal import. Not originally available in the US. Automobile, no significant damage or issues. Vehicle highlights. Heavy checkmark rare European spec E30 wagon. Not originally sold in the US. Heavy checkmark clean Georgia title, legally imported. Heavy checkmark eye-catching Daytona violet paint. Heavy checkmark sport cloth interior. Heavy checkmark runs and drives great, collector's dream. Seller's notes. Prohibited, no trades, serious buyers only. Envelope with arrow message for more details or to schedule a viewing. 1995 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan 4D for sale. Pushpin name. 1995 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan 4D. Money bag price. $8,500 firm. Round pushpin location. Monroe, Louisiana. Automobile mileage. 69,000 miles, low miles. Gear, transmission. Automatic. Oil drum, fuel type. Petrol. Artist palette exterior color. Blue. Couchhan lamp interior color blue. Fuel pump fuel efficiency. 16 mpg city. 24 mpg highway. 19 mpg combined. Vehicle highlights. Heavy checkmark well maintained. Everything works. Even cruise control. Heavy checkmark smooth ride. No mechanical issues. Heavy checkmark cold A, C, and hot heat. Heavy checkmark good tires with plenty of tread. Heavy checkmark interior in excellent condition. No rips, no cracks in dashboard. Heavy checkmark highway ready. No leaks, no problems. Heavy checkmark comes with key fob and title in hand. Seller's notes. Prohibited, no trades, cash only. Money bag, $8,500 firm. No lowball offers. Automobile drive it anywhere. even cross-country to California. Envelope with arrow, serious buyers only. Message for details. 1992 Mercedes-Benz 300 SD Turbo Diesel. Classic W140 S-Class. Pushpin name. 1992 Mercedes-Benz 300 SD Sedan 4D. Money bag price. $3,900. Round pushpin location. Romulus, Michigan. Automobile mileage. 279,000 miles. Gear, transmission. 4-speed automatic. Oil drum, fuel type. Diesel. Artist palette, exterior color. Blue. Couchham lamp, interior color. Black. Fuel pump, fuel efficiency. 18 mpg, city. 22 mpg, highway. 20 mpg combined. White heavy check mark ownership. Paid off, clean history, no major damage. Vehicle highlights. Heavy check mark, legendary W140 S-Class model. Durable and timeless design. Heavy check mark, powerful 3.4L inline 6 turbo diesel engine. Known for longevity. Heavy check mark, original body panels and trim. No major dents or rust. Heavy check mark, luxurious interior with leather seats and wood trim. Heavy check mark, power adjustable front seats for maximum comfort. Heavy check mark, solid mechanicals, runs and drives. Condition. Small blue diamond exterior. Paint is peeling and fading, but the body is solid. Small blue diamond interior. Leather seats show wear. Wood trim and dashboard have aging marks. Small blue diamond mechanics. Runs and drives, but sold as is. Great for restoration or classic daily driver. Seller's notes. Envelope with arrow, message for more details or to schedule a viewing. Wrench, perfect project car for Mercedes enthusiasts. Money bag, great investment with restoration potential. 1953 Ford Crestline Victoria. Money bag price, $12,345. Round pushpin location, White, Georgia. Automobile mileage, 35,000 miles. Gear, transmission, automatic. Artist palette, exterior color, green. Couchham lamp, interior color, green. Oil drum, fuel type, petrol. White heavy check mark ownership, paid off. Seller's description. 1953 Ford Crestline Victoria. Flathead V8 engine. Electronic ignition distributor. Converted to 12V. Fenton headers. Aluminum intake. Dual exhaust. Lowered 2 to 3 inch with caster kit. This car is a solid California car with driver quality paint. Not perfect, but presentable. The car hasn't been started in a few months, and the current issue seems to be with fuel delivery. I haven't had the time to look into it further, but it would make a great cruiser with a little tinkering. Condition. Paint. Driver quality, not perfect. Engine. Needs attention, fuel delivery issue. Mechanics. Runs and drives, but requires some work. Note. This car is for trade only, not for sale. I'm looking to trade it for a Model A Ford in good, restorable shape or other classic cars or trucks. Send your trade offers if interested. 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. Money bag price, $54,995. Round pushpin location, Atlanta, Georgia. Automobile mileage, 56,281 miles. Gear, transmission, automatic. Artist palette, exterior color, black. Couchham lamp, interior color, black. Seller's description. Here we have a 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle for sale in a stunning color combination, with a big block engine under the hood and several upgrades including power steering, power disc brakes, and vintage air conditioning. Exterior. Tuxedo black base coat, clear coat paint that has been buffed to a beautiful finish. Lower body molding and wheel opening moldings. A black vinyl top redone during restoration. Front and rear bumpers, trim, and stainless are in great condition. All glass is in excellent shape, with side windows fitting perfectly. Finished with 15-inch American racing wheels and two 05/75 tires. Interior. Classic black interior with bucket seats and a console housing the automatic shifter. New door panels, carpet, and headliner installed during restoration. Dashboard in great condition with updated air controls for vintage A, C, and heat. Factory gauges plus additional aftermarket gauges to track driveline performance. The trunk is detailed with spatter paint. Engine and mechanical. Powered by a 454 big block engine, dressed with stock-style valve covers and air cleaner, featuring 396 badges. Power steering and power disc brakes front, upgraded with vintage air conditioning and heat. New aluminum radiator, shroud, and mechanical fan for cooling. Mated to a 350 turbo transmission and a 10-bolt rear end. New gas tank, dual pipes, and Flowmaster-style mufflers. The frame and floor pans are in excellent condition, well cared for over the years. Front suspension with a sway bar and box control arms and rear sway bar. Additional details. The car is an excellent choice for cruising, offering comfort and performance with AC, power steering, and power brakes. For more information and pictures, check out the listing on Smoky Mountain Traders. $1958 Chevrolet Del Rey 4-door sedan. Money bag price, $5,200. Round pushpin location, Carrollton, Georgia, 45 minutes west of Atlanta. Automobile mileage, 94,824 miles. Gear transmission, 3-speed manual column shifter. Artist palette exterior color, black. Couchhand lamp interior color, black. Oil drum fuel type, petrol. White heavy checkmark ownership. Paid off. Seller's description. Up for sale is a 1958 Chevrolet Del Rey 4-door sedan, a classic from the golden age of American automobiles. This car is in fair condition, runs and drives great with no major mechanical issues, and is a fantastic project car or cruiser for someone who appreciates vintage vehicles. Details. Engine. Inline 6-cylinder with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. Brakes. New brakes all around, ensuring it is roadworthy and safe to drive. Interior. Clean but shows typical wear for its age. Body. Paint and body are in fair condition with solid panels overall. Needs repair. The trunk pan has rust and will need to be replaced. This car presents a great opportunity for a classic car enthusiast looking to restore or customize a piece of 1950s history. It's ready to drive as is while you work on it. Price, $5,200 OBO. 1989 Volkswagen Cabriolet Classic Convertible 2D. Money bag price, $5,000 OBO. Round pushpin location, Claremont, Florida. Automobile mileage, 89,000 miles. Gear, transmission, automatic. Artist palette exterior color, red. Couchhand lamp interior color, gray. Oil drum, fuel type, petrol. White heavy checkmark ownership. 2 owners, paid off, clear history. Crossmark condition, no significant damage or problems. Seller's description. For sale is a 1989 Volkswagen Cabriolet, priced at $5,000 OBO. This car is a project car that does not currently run and will need the engine put back together. Engine needs to be reinstalled or fixed. Condition, no significant damage, but requires work to get back on the road. Note, this car is sold for cash only and no trades.